Hi you guys, this is the first time I'm doing a review on my BMS 150 scooter that I bought 2 years ago. Now is have 788 miles on it. It's have been running great. I have no problem with it. It's running fine. I did all the PDA that I learned from Google, and it's been very good. I never have any problem with it. It's running great. It start up every time. It's such a beautiful scooter, and later on I'll probably do some more review on what's my upgrade is and what I've done to the scooter so far. But mostly it's just an accessory. Otherwise, the engine and everything else just stay original because I don't want to mess with it, and I have to get it fixed myself. Since Chinese scooter, it's pretty hard to find a dealer that really wanna get their hand on it because of the quality they have. So it's right here, 789 miles, 25 hours of riding it. Everything looked great, and I'll probably do some more review on it later on with more video. But for right now, just a sneak peek of my scooter. And I bought this thing maybe 2 years ago on the holiday, so they give like a couple of $100 discount, and it's a BMS. So I did a lot of online research, and I found BMS brand is a lot better quality in terms as the engine and everything else compared to the brands like Tao. And it's got a bigger wheel. This wheel is 13-inch, which is help you a lot when you're going over a pothole or a speed bump. So when I first got the scooter, I did the PDI, which is I changed the oil right away, plus the gear oil, the engine oil, and then I think this BMS brand is come with the SNK spark plug, so I don't have to change that. I check all the fuel line. Is the plastic is pretty good, the rubber is pretty good on the fuel line, so but I changed it anyways. I did change to a bigger fuel filter right here, and I think that's all I did for the engine. But I don't think I need to change the filter, since the filter itself is probably good too, but just for a caution, because you never know. This is a Chinese brand. It's not like a Honda or a Yamaha, or that you don't have to worry about those. I guess I did all those just because I watch a lot of YouTube video, and they always have problem with the fuel line. Overall, it's a great scooter. I plan to do more video on this. Probably some vlog. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.